So for today I'm talking about the Logitech G735 and mainly why I regretted purchasing them and why I'm trying to return them to the store. See, the thing is, I knew from the beginning that this headset wasn't maybe for me, the style, but I've heard a lot of good things about the audio quality and the microphone quality, so I needed to try it out. Also, I heard online that the comfort was supposed to be really good, which is one of the things that really killed it for me, because I do not agree that the comfort was supposed to be good, or at least I don't think in my case that the comfort was any good. Let's just start with the best things first with this headset. I agree that the sound quality is tremendous. It's really great for this headset. The microphone quality is also one of the best in all of the Logitech headsets I have tried. It comes with the full suite of possibilities inside of Logitech G-Hub. G-Hub is the software you can download from Logitech where you can control the volume and you can control it via an equalizer. Also, it has Blue Voice enabled, which is one of the main selling points if you really want great audio while gaming. This is a raw audio test done with the Logitech G735. I have not changed anything other than adjusted the volume to be as loud as the rest of the track. This is an audio test done with the Logitech G735. I am currently using Blue Voice effect inside of Logitech G-Hub. I'm using the profile called the Broadcaster profile just to show you the difference by using a profile in Blue Voice and the raw audio. This headset is really good both for the audio in your ears but also for the microphone quality for all your teammates. That's out of the way. The headset is quality-wise really good in audio, both microphone and the sound quality. But the things that really takes it away from this experience for me is that I do not like the comfort or the supposed comfort of the headset. Yeah, the cushions are soft, very soft, but they're also made of a fabric that will make my ears sweat in a matter of seconds. And talking about the fabric on these cushions, it's some kind of cheap material. It feels cheap to wear. It feels like, you know, that kind of fabric you have on couches that squeaks when you sit in them. It is also squeaks on my ears. Sorry for interrupting. I'm just here to say my name is Simon, and on this channel I'm doing tech reviews on all sort of tech products. If you like this, consider subscribing or just like the video. Let's get on with the video. The soft cushion on the headband is just not cushioned enough and able to be soft on my head. I really disliked wearing it for longer periods of time, and I had to, while testing them for some time, I had to go back from time to time to use my Logitech G535 just in order to get through the workday. The cushions on the 535 is much more breathable. They are nicer to wear, but the Logitech G735 is made of some sort of fabric that I really don't like to wear on my ears. These headsets is marketed towards you if you like the design, but beware, these materials make this seem cheap in real life, not like a headset at that price range. And that's also the thing that kills it for me. I do not think that the G735 can live up to its price, especially when it have little brothers like these two, the G535 and the G435, that's often sold for less than half the price. And I think both of these headsets are better. Of course, the Logitech G735 does have things that these headsets doesn't have. They do have a bit better audio and they do have much better battery life than the Logitech G435, but compared to the 535, it's the same. If you want the Logitech G735, it is because you like the design and you need the Blue Voice enabled audio. I actually turned off the surround sound, the DTS surround sound of the G735 because I thought everything sounded weird. I know that while gaming this was kind of good, but when listening to podcasts and listening to watching videos and listening to YouTube and so on, I like the normal profile much better. It's what I'm used to with two speakers and with headsets and so on. What you must know about the surround is that it's digital made. It's not because it have 7 speakers around your ears. It's just made digitally, which might be why I don't like it. When you're sitting in proper surround with speakers all the way around you, it's a completely different experience than the fixed surround in this headset. if you want to learn more, then watch this video where I compare it to all the other Logitech gaming headsets.